Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Myself Cadet Pranjal Vaid and I am currently doing my BTech in Marine Engineering from IMU Kolkata. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to join IMU Kolkata to pursue your BTech in Marine Engineering if you want to join Merchant Navy as an engine cadet. So in this video I am going to tell you about the roadmap of joining this college. So firstly, let me tell you about the eligibility criteria for joining this college. So you must have more than 60% in your PCM and more than 50% in your English examination. So after that, you will be eligible for this college. So after being eligible, you need to give IMU CET examination, which is held every year in month of June. So you have to give that examination. After examination, in 1 or 2 weeks, IMU will release a rank list in which you can see your rank, your all India rank, and based on that rank you will get admission through a online admission counseling process. So after release of rank list, you can go to IMU website. There you will get an online counseling portal. There you can register your college preference, like in which college you want to get admission. So you need to fill it like carefully, because once it gets registered, it cannot be changed twice. So be careful while filling. So if you want to join IMU Kolkata, so fill it in your top of your preference, so that probability of getting IMU Kolkata will be high. So let me tell you about the counseling process. There will be 3 main counseling round and 2 spot counseling round. You can register for spot counseling round if you didn't get IMU Kolkata in your first 3 main round. So in first 3 main round, if you want to get IMU Kolkata, just try to score under 1500 rank in IMU CET to play a safer side, so that you can get IMU Kolkata in first 3 rounds.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go,
so that you can get IMU Kolkata in first 3 rounds. So let's talk about cutoff for this college. So basically there is no fixed cutoff for this college, but if we take estimation, if you are a general candidate, you must have to score under 1500 rank to get this college in your first 3 rounds. And if you are a OBC candidate, you have to score under 2500. And if you are a SC/ST candidate, you have to score under 5000 rank. अगर तुम शुरू के 3 मेन राउंड में कॉलेज नहीं पाते हो, IMU कॉलेज नहीं पाते हो, तो कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just go for spot counseling round. So if you are lucky enough, you can get that college. After completion of online counseling process, you need to come to IMU Kolkata college offline for your document verification and payment of fees for admission process. Before coming for document verification, you need to go to a DG approved hospital nearest to your city, where you will go through your medical test, and after medical test you will get a medical certificate. If you are fit for this profession, they will allow you to take admission. So let me tell you about the fees structure for this college. कि fees कितनी है इस college की. So if I talk about for our batch, like our batch is 2022 entry. For our batch, our fees is 9 lakhs for 4 years. But after 2023, fees get increased by 4 lakhs. Like you have to pay 13 lakhs for your 4 years BTech program. So if you are coming in like 2024 or 2025, you have to pay 13 lakhs for 4 years. So this was the roadmap of joining IMU Kolkata. If you get any doubt, just comment below in comment section. We will try to help you out. And if you find this video informative, just give it a like and share with your friends. So don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to join IMU Kolkata, just study hard, just give IMU CET examination very seriously, just prepare for it and try to get under 1500 rank. And IMU Kolkata, lately known as DMET, and DMET is waiting for you.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMU CET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram, or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.